Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out this video. So today's video is a review and a tutorial on how I lay my lace front wigs that I make myself. So this is my lace front wig. I made it using hair from Maxine hair. I used the Got to Be Glued gel in the yellow container. I like that one best for holding my frontals. It holds a lot better and it's not as shiny. It doesn't leave like that shiny residue. And then I also use the Got to Be Glued spray. The hairspray is amazing. It just adds that extra level of hold. If you find that your spray will not spray, just like take the crust off of it. That crust comes from the hairspray drying onto the nozzle. If you just chip that away, your container will spray. I've literally thrown away a whole container not realizing like all I had to do was just clear out the nozzle. So make sure you do that. I usually apply 2 layers, but I'll apply the first layer, spread it out, thin it out, because you definitely want it to be thin. You don't want it to be like gobbed up. And then I'll apply another layer of hairspray, and then I'll go ahead and use my blow dryer to set it on cool. Always set it on cool, because if you set it on hot, your gel and your hairspray will get like gummy. If you set it on cool, it will get tacky, and it will be a lot easier to lay your lace front wig down. So again, this is hair that I got from Maxine hair. The frontal on this from Maxine hair is amazing, you guys. I didn't have to pluck it. All I did was bleach the knots, and it was just perfection. I did not have to pluck this frontal at all. It came perfectly. I had footage of the hair unboxing, but I somehow lost the footage, you guys. Please forgive me. I lost that footage, but you can see that this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I've worked with Maxine hair before. I'll put a link to the review that I did previously for them. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. I have 4 bundles of hair on this wig and a full frontal. So this wig is super thick, but I love the density on it. It's a lot of hair, you guys. You definitely do not need 4 bundles of hair and a closure. You will be more than okay with just 3 bundles because the bundles are full. And these bundles were 22 inches and 24 inches. And you guys, like, I feel like the bundles were even longer than that. Like, I think you get extra inches or something because the hair was very long, very healthy and pretty. I definitely recommend the frontal and the bundles from Maxine hair. It's my second time working with the company, and I love the quality. It's really good quality. As you can see, I bleached the knots, and I also bleached the frontal because I wanted to get those 2 blonde honey brown streaks in it, and it took to the bleach like within minutes, you guys. It was really a easy dyeing, easy bleaching process with this hair. So I would definitely recommend it. Now, I haven't been wearing the hair for long, so I can't say about the longevity of it, but initial thoughts is very beautiful. It curls really well, you guys. These are body wave bundles and a body wave frontal, and it curls gorgeously, as you can see. I just use my curling iron, and then I set it in pin curls with large bobby pins. So here you see I'm just taking them out, and the curls are like holding so nicely. And so yeah, just gently take out your pin curls. I definitely would recommend the large bobby pins because it makes your life a lot easier. I had to take an Instagram break, you guys. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Jess the Dragoness. If you are, you definitely get to see all my hairstyles, all my photos, all my looks before I put them on YouTube. You'll get like an inside sneak peek. Look at these curls, you guys. Gorgeous. Look how healthy and shiny the hair looks. Like, I'm just blown away by this hair. It's so gorgeous. I was so pleased. So combing the curls out, just gently, effortlessly combed out. I had zero shedding, you guys. No shedding at all on the bleached frontal or on the bundles. Now, I did not cut my bundles. I didn't cut my wefts. I literally just folded them over. And this is a dome cap, and I used the weave glue to create this wig. But look at this wig. Like, flawless. I did not pluck the frontal at all. Like, wow. I'm just so impressed with this hair. It's gorgeous. Now, I did cut layers into the hair. The bundles didn't just fall like this. I definitely cut, you know, some real generous layers into this hair. Um, and I think it definitely came out really nice. If you guys want to see how I cut my layers into my wigs that I make, definitely leave a comment down below if you want to see, you know, a cutting layers tutorial on, you know, your virgin hair units. But all right, you guys, I'm going to stop talking you guys head off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave links to where you can purchase this hair in the information box down below. And if you have questions, please leave them in the comments. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. And thanks, guys, so much for watching. Keep watching until the end. I definitely have the slow-mos for you guys. All right.